Saktong may ads na nag-record ka.
I play.
Anong pagkain?
Oh, under 5.
Ano lang yung ano, ay noodles. Ayun yung pinipili nila.
30 pesos.
So, andito namin sa Laguna sa Boy Scouts of the Philippines. Ayan. And nandito kami sa Boy Scout Oath Scout Jamboree. So 1996 nandito kami noon, elementary ako, ng mga classmate ko.
Ay, sarado mo muna yung car. Maglakad tayo pabalik.
Hiking in some place.
Apple talaga. There's those begonias.
What's up, you? Two.
Grotto.
What is grotto?
I hate grottos. I hate any sort of climbing. I'm meant to be running around playing volleyball.
Huwag ka maingay, Brents. Don't make noise. Don't make unnecessary noise to disturb. Oh.
Playing volleyball right now, bro.
Hello, Mama Mary. Bawal magturo-turo tabi-tabi
Ay.
po.
Also, rather not. Praise and worship, huh? Yes,
Give us more project para sa daddy, sa family.
I'm just tired. I don't want to play volleyball right now, but I need to pee. You know, baba tayo dun.
Dito naman ako eh.
No, man. Seems more dangerous down there. Kid, ano ba yung... Imagine this is restricted and we get gunned down because of your swamp.
Overreacting si Kuya Brad.
Some of these rocks aren't even stable. What's wrong? That's what makes it fun. That's what makes it fun.
Bilisan mo.
The unconditional awareness of your surroundings. What to be aware of the surroundings of you? Therefore, lose their minds and listen their conscience. And instead have fun. I still think you're going to push me off right now. So, what is the standard? What?
Mama Mary, give us more projects
Down here,
para we can survive and we can help other people para sa work.
That Mama Mary statue's been there for a while now. Because it has a ton of cattle axes.
How is the light?
At least those are Pazuzu or something like that.
What is Pazuzu? What is Pazuzu?
Oh my god.
Pegasus yung Beyblade.
Oh my god, bro. It's not like that.
Blade.
Hey, blade, not
So, unang trail namin maliit lang. Parang grotto lang dito sa malapit sa Boy Scout of the Philippines. So, nag-pray lang kami doon sa grotto. Tapos bumaba na rin kami. 3 kilometers na lakad.
Okay lang kaya.
We're like 1 kilometer in.
Okay ka pa?
No.
Not in the Amazon, bro.
Bro, we're not in Clash Royale.
I'm gonna throw you down there and say, okay, Clash Royale.
Look at that. You know, this is what you call a hike.
Kilapot ka na mahulog.
Gusto mo magpa-epal? Something na ito, flashlight.
And this is how we call How to Die.
This is
Narinig mo yun,
what you call
narinig mo
a
yung
hike,
song
dude.
naman na yun. The Ways to Die.
We're gonna be killed by blow darts.
Blow darts. Bro, you're
Oh,
not
bagong
darts, bro.
experience to sa amin.
This is what you call a cannon event.
Be careful ha. Titignan nyo yung dinadaanan nyo. Pagka nalaglag kayo doon ha, huwag kayong magharutan. Huwag tulakan.
Naalala ko, nag-Spider-Man.
Tingin lang sa baba.
Dahil nahulog lang siya. Tinawanan namin ni Dylan. Si Spider-Man!
Tingin lang doon sa baba ha. Tingin lang sa lapag sa kalsada dinadaanan nyo.
Carnivorous plant.
Uy!
Be careful ah.
Oh, God.
Sige, nakikita ka namin.
Ouch!
Please, come on. Tulungan niyo ako dito.
Brett, can you just, yan, face me, yan. 1, 2, 3. Oh,
It's like I want to drink water here.
yan, Kuya Stig.
Yung papatagas kami daddy sa tubig dati doon sa bahay nila ate. Yung sinasabi nyo, kapag nagpaalan kayo sa tubig, mawawala na kayo. Kaya may sabi nun, di ba, yung may river?
Ah,
Yun.
paano yun eh? Flat rocks.
Madi. Madi doon.
Kanina ka papahulog-hulog dyan.
Alam mo,